came in today. It is from STEEDA. It is our blow-off valve, made in USA. And this is how it looks like, all wrapped, and these are the screws. So this is how it looks like without the cover. Wow, it's chrome, made in the USA. Here's all the accessories right here. All right, let's install this. You would have to remove this, and this right there. This is a size 8. After removing all 3 screws, it just simply comes out like this. We are now just going to lube
We just need to put this
rubber ring right there.
Here. And then over here.
Yep.
We just need to add a little bit of lube so it won't move when we install it.
So, I'm gonna go like this. There you go. Using a screwdriver. And I noticed too this this is pretty heavy.
Yeah.
The blow valve, it's like aluminum, I think, too.
Yeah.
Or really hard plastic.
Yeah.
Tightening it down.
Do you need a longer one?
No, this is perfect.
So there you go. Nice and tight. Added more character.
Yup. Yes, it did.
So now you can see that there is an aluminum blow-up valve.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah, there you go. Now we shall see how it sounds. This is now a cold start. We're just starting the car, and later on we are going to rev it up. What do you think?
Oh man, it feels like we got a JDM up in here.
I know.
I'll try it again. Let's see.
Yeah.
Damn, watch out.
That was loud. That was loud.
Alright, I love it.
It feels like you have like a bigger turbo or something.
That'll be our next upgrade.
Yeah, there you go. We are test driving.
Yeah,
our blow-up valve.
And so far, you could barely hear it.
Yeah,
like, it's not obnoxious.
Yeah, I think you will start hearing it when you start to like really press on the gas.
Yeah. So right now it's normal. No check engine lights.
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah, which is all good. And yeah.
I think you can hear it like just a little bit. Like it will like give you like a small sound.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess. Yeah. I'm in the highway right now, and I'm hitting like 65 miles an hour, and all good. Like,
Here we're doing a street
test
for our blow-up ball.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go again. Oh, it just...
See, I have to release it.
Yeah.
I have to press on the gas, and sometimes it does it on its own.
Yeah.
So we're here at In-N-Out. We got a double with fries. All right, let's do this. I hope no check engine lights
I know,
too.
right?
That's the thing I'm worried about. But we just removed our Roush cold air intake, and wow, surprisingly, it's still really clean.